Okay, you guys, this is like a really sad video. I can't believe I paid like $200 plus for this cutting. What is wrong with you? Why are you dying? Sophie, this is not your dog food. She really thinks this is her dog. Come here, come here. I'm so evil. Come here. Look at it, come here. I'm such an evil fucking bitch. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, dying plants, my life, and travel. But today, I just repotted this, and I really hope in the next video that I do, it doesn't die. If y'all want to see an update, please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll also post pictures, updates on this plant. So do follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat at Melina Glam so y'all could see the update on this beautiful plant. This is like a repot emergency. Here's my Frydek. It's growing in sphagnum moss. It was doing really well. I have it in my IKEA greenhouse like there, and maybe I let it dry up too much. I don't know. I should have bought like a established plant, but it looked like it was. I don't know. Maybe like I dried it out too much because I did leave the fan on for like a full 24 hours, and the sphagnum moss dried up, and she looked fine, but then the next couple of days she started declining, so I think that's what was wrong with her. Yeah, so unfortunately I'm gonna up-pot her. I feel like I'm gonna give her a rinse, and then I'm gonna take her out, cut the sleeve, put some stratum, fluval stratum, some perlite, leave the sphagnum, and maybe it'll work its magic and bounce back. Oh, and I'm gonna put it in this and then in that. So it's gonna be like a little heat chamber for it. So yeah, let me wet this shit. Okay, you guys. Okay, Alocasia Dragon Scale, and I feel like perlite, they do really well. These are 2 corms, and they're doing really well. So I feel like I'm gonna put perlite for sure. And I just don't like sphagnum moss, so I might take it all off. We'll see. Can y'all see? Okay. Unfortunately, yeah, maybe like I dried it too much or something. I don't know, but all I know is I don't want to like disturb the roots too much. They are so delicate. Like, I feel like maybe I should just leave it alone. Look at that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this a good idea, Melina? Oh my god, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Oh my god. The roots are like so fine, you guys. Like, oh my god. I know, I'm like, okay, I think that root just died because I'm lazy. No. Oh, okay, I don't think that's a root. Good. I want to just get rid of all this spag. I don't like sphagnum with the alocasias. I'm sorry. No, I don't. I killed my Frydek. I killed my first Frydek. I think it's up in my channel. Oh my god, I'm trying to be so careful. It's like, oh my god. The roots are so freaking delicate. I feel like the sphagnum moss is stronger than the roots. That one's delicate. That one's delicate as fuck. Okay, that one's out. Yeah, look at all this sphagnum moss. I don't like it. Look at the little delicate roots, you guys. Yeah, this just looked really unhappy. Okay, there you go. I freaking... Oh my god, you guys. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. The roots look so brittle, like paper thin. Like, I don't even know if this shit's gonna make it or not. But yeah, I'm gonna wash it. A little baby root. It's like my hair. It's literally like my hair. So I'm gonna wash it, take that leaf out, and put it in perlite. Definitely in this little container, put some testing out this stratum. Little stratum, yeah, a lot of people have been raving about this. Cuttings do well, so we shall see. I'm gonna mix that. Here she is. She's all washed. She's yellowing. I took the other leaf out. I'm just gonna leave these roots because they're brittle, but it's something to work on. There's the quorum, and here we go. I'm opening the Fluval stratum. Sophie, this is not your dog food. I'm sorry. She really thinks this is her dog food. Like, no. Come here. In Spanish, comer means like eat. And I'm, come here. I'm so evil. Come here. Look at it. Come here. I'm such an evil fucking bitch. Come here. Oh, it's tiny. This will be perfect, you guys. Okay. It's not dog food, Coco. Look. It's not dog food, Mama. She's like ready to eat. Look, it's not. Come here. Come here. Come here, Coco. Yeah, she knows it's not dog food, but oh my god. Okay, so here it is. This is the cutest. I'm gonna wash it, you guys. Will it fall out of the pot? Let me see. Oh shit, it kind of does fall out of the pot. Well, I'm gonna wash it. Okay, you guys, so here I have my little Fluval stratum all washed. It kind of looks like caviar. That is so funny. I'm gonna just put some perlite in here as well. Putting the plant back in here. Like this. Can y'all see? Look at the root. Yeah, so I could be able to see the little roots. Literally like caviar. Sorry, guys. And then I'm gonna put perlite on top. It's gonna look like a little Oreo. This is so funny. Okay, I positioned it in the middle so it can breathe. Okay, you guys, so here she is. Alocasia Frydek. All repotted. Officially her new habitat. You could see, I put some, oh wow, Sophie, your hair. Y'all could see the fluval, and there's a root right there. Right there, yeah, right there. I know y'all can see it. Yeah, so there's its new home. And I'm just gonna put this on top, and then she's really gonna love it, hopefully. We just gotta... There you go. Beautiful. So I'm gonna put this in my greenhouse, and there she is. I can't. Variegated Alocasia Frydek, dying, and I paid like $300 for it. Like, keep y'all updated, you guys. I'm gonna let you go. You subscribe to my channel. My name is Melina, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, don't die on me. You're too pretty and too expensive. Please don't die.